Hi, I am Stephen Knight from Excel Consulting. Welcome to Power BI Reports. This is topic 1. How do I get to a report that someone has shared with me? Now, in this scenario, we're using a PC or a laptop. Windows or Mac operating system is fine. You'll have virtually the same experience on both platforms. And all we really need is a modern web browser. Edge, Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, they're all good. So let's actually do the process. A colleague has sent you a link to a dashboard. The email that you'll get may include a note if they've provided some additional information, but also you will get a large button. You'll see the large yellow and black button here. If I click on the button, it takes me directly into Power BI. Now, if this is your first time into Power BI, it may ask for your Office 365 credentials. That will typically be your work email address and password that you use to access Office 365 in general. And we're now looking at the dashboard that we've been shared. Now, we will do interactions with dashboards and reports in detail in a later module, but just for the moment, to find our way from the dashboard, which is a summary of visualizations from your report, I can click on a visualization. It takes me to the page in the report where that visualization lives. And on the left here, I can also see other pages as well in the report. Now, we will explore these pages and learn a bit more about the data that we're working with as we go through here. But for the moment, we're now in our dashboard and report. Now, if we want to get back to it, we will see how we can use shared with me. But if you're getting lots of reports shared with you, the first thing I'd recommend is to add it to your favorites. And on the grey ribbon here, we'll see export, subscribe, and comments. If I choose favorites, that then puts this report in the gallery of favorites for me, which makes it easier for me to get back. Let's see how that works. If I click favorites over here on the navigation bar on the left, I see my report that I've added to my favorites, and there it is. So it's very easy to get back to reports you use a lot if you add it to your favorites. Now, imagine it's next week, and we're not actually seeing our report coming up, and we don't want to go digging back through our email looking for that link. Okay, show of hands, those of you who get way too much email. You don't want to be digging through looking for that email from 2 weeks ago. So again, in the navigation strip on the left here, if I go to shared with me, I see various reports that have been shared with me. I see here seminar car sales, which is the name of the dashboard. I can click there and it brings up the dashboard for me. And now I'm looking at the dashboard summary. Again, I can click to drill through as we saw before. Now, just the last thing I'm going to just touch on here is just working with this navigation pane on the left. Is the navigation pane might not be this wide convenient size for you. It's actually controlled by this little 3-lined icon. Now, just a bit of IT terminology here. This is often called a hamburger. If I click on the 3 lines, it collapses the menu. If I click on it again, I can bring it up, which makes it easier to find my shared with me, my favorites. There's our report again as a favorite. And also things we've been using recently, we can see those here conveniently as well. This has been how to get access to your Power BI report. We just follow the link from the email, and then once we're in, we can click on a tile in the dashboard, takes us through to the detail in the report. We'll do more interactions there later. We've also seen that we can add it to our favorites. We can also go back to shared with me so that we're not looking back through 2 weeks worth of emails to find that link. So I hope you found that useful. Please provide feedback, it's always welcome. Bye for now.
So give your skills an upgrade at Nexacu. It's where knowledge and skills come together for next level learning.